In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add footnotes in Word. Whether you're writing a research paper, compiling a report, or putting together a manuscript, inserting footnotes is an essential skill. They allow you to provide additional information, cite sources, or offer commentary without interrupting the flow of your main text. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to confidently add footnotes to enhance your documents seamlessly. First, let's navigate to the References tab in Word. You'll find this at the top of your screen in the ribbon, which is the toolbar that spans across your document near the header. The References tab houses a variety of academic tools, including the option to add footnotes, endnotes, citations, and a bibliography. Clicking on this tab ensures you have access to all the features you'll need for incorporating footnotes into your document. Once you're in the References tab, look for the Insert Footnote button. This feature allows you to directly place a footnote at the point in your document where you'd like to provide additional information. Clicking this button is straightforward. It's usually located prominently on the left side of the References menu. When you click Insert Footnote, Word automatically inserts a superscript number at the end of your cursor's position in the text. Simultaneously, Word will create a corresponding number at the bottom of the page where you can type your additional information. It's important to note that footnotes are sequentially numbered, meaning they're automatically updated as you add more. This handy feature keeps everything organized without you needing to renumber manually. For example, if you've previously inserted 2 footnotes and insert a new one in between them, Word will automatically number them to ensure that everything stays in proper order. After inserting your footnote, you can go down to the bottom of the page and start typing your footnote text. This is where you'd provide explanations, cite your sources, or add any notes relevant to your main text. Word allows you to format footnotes separately from your main text, giving you the freedom to adjust the size, font, and style to ensure consistency with your document's overall appearance. Remember, footnotes can greatly enrich your document by providing readers with deeper insights without cluttering your main text. They're particularly useful in academic writing and professional reports, where clarity and depth of information are paramount. As you incorporate more footnotes, regularly review their sequence and content to maintain a cohesive flow and avoid unnecessary repetition. By mastering the use of footnotes, you're enhancing the value and readability of your content. Practice this skill, and your documents will not only fulfill technical requirements, but will also provide your readers with a more comprehensive understanding of your material. Thank you for joining me today, and don't forget to check out more of our tutorials if you found this guide helpful.